everybody, it's Celeste here and welcome to A Crafter's Story. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me grow my channel and that allows me to put out more videos like this. So I really appreciate my subscribers and the people who watch and like the videos. You guys are awesome and just make my day every time. So thank you to all of those who watch and subscribe and like. It means the world to me. So I am doing a flip through Friday video today, and that is a hashtag. It is hosted by Gwen the Trash Witch. Oh gosh, I can't speak. Gwen the Trash Witch. There we go. Second time better. And I wanted to show you something new that I've been working on for a while. I started off with a picture. Actually, I should have taken that out to show you. I started off with this drawing that I had been working on for a while, and it's just on this great big old piece of paper. So I went ahead and scanned it and played around with it with Affinity software. I use Affinity, not Photoshop. And this is what I have come up with. So it is a digital kit that is available on my Etsy store. And I forget how many pages. I think it's 14 pages. This is the first one. So it's a little bunch of strips that you can then cut out and use in all kinds of different ways in your journaling. This one's a shorty because I've already cut a piece to use it somewhere. I think that's what I did. I put it there, put it on this little card. So that is the first of the kit. Let me see, maybe I'll just put it underneath. I think that'll be easier. And then you've got all these tags, so you would be cutting them out yourself. And there is a little guide, hole guide there, so you can punch the hole. So that's these guys, part of the kit. And then I have two lots. There's one, there's the other one, of these little envelopes that you can print out. And once you've printed it out, cut it out, you basically just fold along where the instructions tell you to fold. I like to score mine a little bit just to help with the fold. And then you've got these cute little envelopes. So that is those. And then a big portion of, let me just do this, get nice and neat. A big portion of the printable is these signature pages. So I've already gone ahead and printed them, obviously, and then folded them so that you can see that they then become a signature. All you have to do is sew it into a journal. So there's your first signature. There is the next one, and here it says, "You be awesome." And then there are some little windows that you can put photographs and sentiments into, some writing space. Be happy. And you'll notice, of course, this is that from my artwork earlier. I just really sized it down. So I sized it down from that to that. And the flower got sized down from that to that. So, and then this guy also got sized down to here, but of course you can see how the colors are different. It's just the printer and probably the software too. And more, and you are beautiful. There's that one. I'm trying to see. I know that I have a plain, I don't think I have it, well, I might have it here, but I have a plain sort of buttery yellow page that you can use if you want to print it on the reverse side of the signatures. So again with the little bees. And so one thing I wanted to mention is these are signature pages, but you don't have to use them as signature pages. You can print them out like I did with this one, and then I kind of chopped it in half and made a little pocket. So these don't have to be signature pages. And then I'll show you these in a minute. I've got some of these little stickers. Again, I think I've already shown you, oh, that one there. So I've taken these 2 pages, also sliced it up, and used some of the hearts from this page to put down the side, so that and then of course inked the edges, so you can see how you can play around with all the papers. Even though they are designed as signature pages, you don't have to use them that way. And then here are all those words that I told you about, and you've got 16 of them. 8 cent is it 8 centimeters? I forget, I don't remember. So yes, 8 sentiments, 16 stickers, 2 of each. So there you go. You'd think I would know my own stuff, right? I put out just a little bit of an instruction, because it does matter what paper you use when you're printing out something like this. Oh yeah, I've just got a double, and double. Do I have doubles? Yes, I have doubles, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So that is what I wanted to show you guys, because I've been working on this for absolute ever. Do I have doubles? I'm not organized. Oh no, these are the ones I put underneath. I don't remember what I did 2 minutes ago. I must not have had enough coffee today, but anyway. So here is what you would get when you print it out. And of course, like I said, these are signature pages. This is you get a plain buttery yellow page as well, so that if you don't want just a plain white on the opposite side, then you can print the yellow, so that you have the color theme kind of runs through a little bit. Anyway, you guys, I just wanted to share that with you because I'm so proud of it. I've been working on it for absolute ever, and it was just time to share it. It's only just gone up on my store, and I am loving it. I can already see how I'm going to use these in my happy mail, and in my journaling, and yeah, in my crafting in general. So thank you so much for sticking around and doing this flip through Friday with me, and thank you to Gwen for the hashtag. Please pop around to Gwen's YouTube channel. I have got her link to her channel and the hashtag in the description below. And everybody that does a flip through Friday, it's always so interesting to see what everybody is working on. Okay, well, thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.